Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Allie. Today I am so excited because I have a good and fresh fashion video, and I feel like I haven't done like a good fashion video in like 2 months. So yeah, this is much anticipated and it's gonna be so fun. So yeah, basically I was inspired by Allie, aka Color Club on Depop. Yeah, she's a queen. She did a video where she basically took one piece of clothing, I think it was a skirt or something like that, and she styled a whole outfit around it and kind of like showed like the whole process. And that's actually also how like I style things. It's like I kind of base the whole outfit around like one piece that I really like, and then I make the outfit around that. So I thought that would be really fun to do. I went thrifting a couple days ago and I got so many cute things. So I picked 3 items that I'm going to make outfits around, and I'm gonna show you guys like the whole process and like how I pick things. Let me just show you guys the pieces that I got. So the first one is this really cute dress. This was probably like some 4th grade like girl's uniform that I should not be wearing. I am just in love with this. Like the pockets, the plaid is just so perfect to me and it fits me so cute. So yeah, I'm gonna be making an outfit with this dress. You could definitely wear this on its own, but like I want to do a full look, you know what I mean? So this is the first one. Second thing that I have is this, and it is a cheetah print maxi skirt. I feel like maxi skirts are kind of like becoming like a really chic trend. Maybe I just sound like a bullshit person right now, but like I feel like a lot of people are wearing maxi skirts and I really like this one. I really love leopard print, cheetah print, whatever you want to call it. I don't usually wear skirts like this, so I wanted to challenge myself with this second one, but I have a really good idea for this one, so I'm kind of excited. The third thing that I have is by far one of the best things that I've thrifted in so long. Like, it's honestly freaking crazy how cute this is. But it is this watermelon cardigan. Just tell me this isn't so precious, and like all of the details are just so beautiful. Like the back, this is probably the one that I have the least idea of what I'm gonna do with, but I am just so excited to get started with this challenge. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it with the first look. So this morning before school, while I was looking for a beanie, I happened to find a hat that perfectly matches this dress that I have and that I haven't worn because like I don't have anything to match this hat. Let me just show it to you guys. This is the hat and this is the dress. So they both have kind of like a newspaper plaid kind of theme. They're obviously not exactly the same pattern, but like I feel like this is gonna be so cute together. Maybe I'm gonna put it on and it's gonna like be ugly, but hopefully not. So I actually think I want to do like a layer under this dress, and I think I want to get a red turtleneck, but maybe a black turtleneck might be cute too. So let me just go ahead and get a turtleneck and try this on and see how it looks. So this is my favorite red turtleneck. Oh my god, it's literally inside out on this hanger, but it's super tight on me. It's like a medium, but honestly it's, I don't know, it like shrunk or something. Or maybe I'm just fat, but like it shrunk. I think I want to get a black one too. All of these are gonna fall. Yeah, maybe not. Love that for me. Ah! Ow. I just bashed my tooth so hard. It fucking hurt, dude. Okay, so here's the deal. I put on the turtleneck and I literally love this outfit, but we're gonna see if the hat works. So let me just go ahead and put it on. My mirror is like to the left, so I'm gonna look in it. You guys can see my reaction. Oh my god, this is so cute. Yes, I'm so happy this worked out. So I really like how all of this looks together. I definitely think I need some jewelry though, and then I'm gonna show you guys what shoes I'd wear with this, and yeah, let's get the jewelry. So this little crusted, dusted, busted plate is where I keep my jewelry, among many other things. As you can tell, I think I want to wear this, and then I have my little XCX chain that I want to wear. Let me put these on. I really don't feel like I need earrings or anything like that because I'm like wearing a hat, so nobody's gonna see my ears anyway. Oh, these are like the same length. Mirror check. Yeah, actually, I think I'm gonna take this ball chain off. Bye, bitch. This look I feel like is so simple but also so extra at the same time. but I'm like living for it. I think the jewelry is really subtle, but it kind of just like ties everything together really nicely. These bad boys are the fucking shoes that I have been wearing for like a month straight now. They're from Koi Footwear that sent me some shoes, and I honestly, my expectations were not that high, but these have so much exceeded my expectations, like above and beyond. I love these shoes. They're also vegan leather, so if you're interested in that, please go check out these boots. I love these. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna wear some black socks and these boots. Let's see how it looks. So yeah, that was outfit number 1. Let's get into the second outfit. So as I showed you guys before, I have this really cute leopard print maxi skirt. It's a little bit tight on me, so I'm sorry if you don't want to see that, but I still think it's really cute and I want to wear it like at least once. So yeah, I have a really good idea of what to wear with this. Let me just show you guys. I have this UNIF shirt that my mom got me for Christmas, the only shirt from UNIF I own, and I've only worn it once in the video I did with Gabriella Marie. Shout out Gabriella Marie because we love her. I'm gonna try and put these together and see what it looks like. I feel like it might be cute even though these two don't exactly match up, but we're gonna have to see. I don't know. Let's put it on. Okay. I'm not really sure how these go together. Like, I hope you can see this. First of all, this skirt just fits me a little bit weird and I feel like I need to wear like a crop top with it. So, yeah, I'm really not feeling these two together, so I think I'm gonna do another idea that I have, but honestly, this one might be cuter. Like, I just don't know what I'm supposed to wear with this shirt. Like, it's honestly pissing me off that these don't match. But anyway, next option. One of my favorite Boohoo tops that I got, I did not even expect to love this one as much as I do. This is honestly one of my favorite tops out of all of them. Like, I don't know why, but I like actually wore this one and I was like, holy shit, this is hella cute. So thanks, Boohoo. Let's go put her on. Okay, guys, this is so much better. I hope you can even see me right now. Literally can't see myself. But yeah, this little Boohoo top is like perfect. It's the perfect length to like hit where the skirt is. The pockets on the skirt are like kind of annoying. So I don't know how much I like this skirt, but I still think this is gonna be really cute. So I have a pair of glasses that I also haven't worn in so long because these are just like once in a while glasses, you know, because they're such a statement, but they are little leopard print glasses and oh my god, they're not the same color, but I still think it's gonna be cute. So I think I'm gonna wear these with it. I also think I'm gonna grab my gold hoops and this gold necklace to go with that. Okay, so we got the jewels on. Already makes so much of a difference. Like, I feel like jewelry just adds that much more to your outfit. Like, it just pulls everything together somehow, gives you that last extra layer. But we're gonna add another layer because we're going crazy and stupid today.
Go crazy! Ah, go stupid! Ah!
So we got the glasses here. Jesse Rutherford also owns these glasses. If you're wondering, they're from Party City because Party City has bomb glasses, honestly. So yeah, obviously the glasses don't exactly match like the skirt, but I honestly think that this is like cute enough. Like, both of these pieces are cute enough like by themselves to be like a cute fit. So yeah, my hair is honestly so messy and gross right now, but if I had a nice little straight hair moment, this would definitely be a look. Like, I feel like I'm serving like fancy like brunch or something, like business meeting, but like make it cute. So yeah, I actually really like this look. Let me go ahead and take some pictures now. I'm so excited. Okay guys, so I'm honestly impressed with myself because I actually really like how this outfit came out. The glasses, I know they don't match exactly, but like they're still so cute, like a bitch. The serve. Without further ado, let's get on to the last piece. I have literally no idea what I'm gonna do for this, but yeah, I'm excited. I'm That's what I get for trying to be funny. Okay, so the first thing that kind of jumps out at me when I see this is to pair it with probably my favorite pair of green pants, and I feel like that might be a cop-out, but it's just calling me. I would probably also pair this with red pants or maybe pink. I don't have pants that are exactly the pink that are in this sweater, so I don't really know about that. Also, I'm not sure if I should wear a shirt underneath that's like pink or white, because I feel like white is just kind of like too weird because it's underneath white, but I don't know if I have anything red that I want to wear under that, so we're just gonna have to peek into my closet and see what we find. Okay, so we could always go for a nice black shirt moment, but I feel like I just kind of used that on my skirt outfit. Oh my god, this is hard. I don't have that many red shirts. I have this one, but it's like too neon. Oh bitch, I just remembered that I had this really cute little woven tank top. This is definitely like a spring look, since I'm wearing a little tank top underneath, but I really love wearing little tiny shirts and tiny tank tops with big pants, so sorry, but my staple outfit had to come through. I think this might go with it, but if it doesn't, then we're fucked, basically. For this outfit, I definitely think we need a good pair of sunglasses. Ooh, these might be the ones. Or there's this orange pair, but I don't know if that's gonna look good. So we'll just take all three of these. I definitely also want my black grommet belt, but it's not here, so hold on. On this chair is basically every single element of this outfit. So we have the little woven top. It kind of has like the same like brown color here, if you can see that. We have the black grommet belt because there's a little bit of black in here. The green pants, these are my favorite pants. They're men's pants. Always check the men's section. If you're like my size, big men's pants, if you belt them, you'll have the cutest cinched waist. I always say this, but it's literally my favorite way to wear pants. So yeah, anyway, back to the outfit. We have these two pairs of glasses. I kind of took out the orange ones because they didn't really match. So we're either gonna wear these little tiny pink ones or these little red ones, but I think I'm leaning towards these because I want to wear silver jewelry and I feel like this will just tie it into like the grommet belt, you know? So let's put this bitch on and see what she looks like. Oh my god, this is so cute! Let's see which glasses look better. These are the little red ones. Ooh, I like the red, but oh, let's try the pink. The pink is cute, but like it doesn't match too much that it like bothers me. Like the red is definitely a better match, so I think I'm gonna stick with the red. I'm also gonna grab some jewelry here. I have this really cute choker from this brand called Baby Turns Blue. I really love this. You guys will see it in a second. And then we need a chain. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna wear this plain chain because I don't know, I don't really think I need a lot of jewelry, so yeah, let me just put these on. I grabbed this choker and I have this chain, and I think that this look is coming together. I feel like I just need a little bit more blush, just to add a little more color to this look. I can't see how much I'm putting on, so I hope it's not horrible. Shout out Morphe, this is the best blush ever. It's in the color Spirit. Use code James for 10% off. Okay, wow, I really like this look. I feel like it's pretty cute, and like I feel like I made an Allie XCX look out of this sweater. I really like to wear like kind of like grungier pieces with like girlier things, if that makes sense. So I feel like this sweater is really like dainty and cute, but like wearing this choker and my grommet belt and my shoes that I am obsessed with that were in the last two outfits, it kind of adds like my own touch, and I love that, and I love this outfit. So cue the selfies. Hey guys, so that is all three of my outfits. I love how they all turned out. I'm gonna wear them all out, I swear. Comment your favorite outfit, comment which outfit you didn't like so much. tell me anything in the comments. And yeah, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to me down below, pretty please, and follow me on Instagram to see all of my looks. And I think that's everything I have to say. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.